we're looking at, what did we do? How did this performance go? What are some of these missteps? How do we come together again? As we look at this vantage point from the balcony to understand, our process. And we do this routinely, even when we reach, let's call it, physically, but even metaphorically, a certain base camp of a project, right? For us on the mountain, yes, at base camp, we review the day that we just experienced, and what are some tremendous celebrations again, what are some misses, what are the attitudes, the activating moments that were part of the day, what are our beliefs about each activating moment that happened on that first day, because quite often the second day is won or perhaps conditioned by the first experience of the first day, how we treated each other.
Yeah. What I love about that is your whole metaphor of being on the balcony is we're all standing together looking at the problem. We're not looking at each other as the problem.